Adding a credit card to your ABN AMRO account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the task efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ABN AMRO website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management section in the menu. This is where you can manage your credit cards and other banking options. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Card Management section, find the option to Add Credit Card. Click on this option to begin the process of adding a new card. Step 4. Enter card details. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all details are entered accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you have successfully added a credit card to your ABN AMRO account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.